For some time now, I've been passing through this particular location, and I noticed that there's something going on there. So today I decided to go there and explore it, or maybe find out what is actually happening, because I saw a lot of buildings, small buildings coming up and the rest of them. So lo and behold, when I access the place, I noticed that they're actually building a small fun center within that area. So join me, guys, let's explore it there. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video, we are taking you to this particular location. For those who may know about this particular place from the entrance view, you already know where I'm talking about. But for those who are not aware, maybe who are not residing in Anambra State, or maybe have not visited Onitsha for the first time, so at the middle of this video or before the end of this video, I'll be giving you the location of this place. Maybe you might know, and those who are even in Anambra or maybe around Onitsha but doesn't know where I'm talking about, I'll also give you the name. So I've been passing through all this way. I noticed some changes, noticed some constructions, and noticed some equipment they are bringing in inside this particular place. I kind of say what is actually happening. So but today we are inside this place to see what is actually happening. And upon our arrival, we noticed that a very big construction is going on there, even though the place is quite big, but not very big, just a medium size to contain realization and the rest, not for crowd. So when we entered here, we noticed that they're actually constructing a kind of fun center, a relaxation center, where people can come and relax and have fun. A lot of things are there. They are also putting in place some things that looks like a beach center, swimming pools, and bars and the other things. And if you check out the the looks of everything here, you will notice that it has a lot of green areas, like a lot of trees to give people shelter. So the place is very nice, and they are trying to develop it. And when I get to know about these things, I become very, very happy, because sometime last year, middle of last year or before the ending of last year, I made some videos concerning this all these locations, the one you have here and the one you have around Ebuka axis. I made videos about them, and the place was not looking nice at all. And I made some comment like government trying to maybe try to recreate the area. Even if it is free Wi-Fi, they should install there, and as well kind of create a relaxation center for people over there, so people can come there maybe towards weekend, or maybe towards the evening time after after going to work. They will just come there and relax and connect to free Wi-Fi, and do whatever they want to do. That's what I suggested in one of my videos. But today I saw that somebody else has gotten this particular portion and is trying to create such thing that I made mention of. So before I proceed in giving you all the details that I have at hand, is bear in mind, this thing is not being constructed by government, according to what I heard, and some of the little information I gathered when I visited. The person told me it's not being done by government, it's an individual property, it's an individual stuff. So the individual that actually have this in mind and start executing it, I said, may you live long. Also try as much as possible to make it affordable for people, so people can be coming and be having realization. Is very, very nice, honestly. So without wasting much of your time, guys, this particular place is located at Burumi roundabout. It's located at that Burumi roundabout by Seaman Fleet Station. That particular roundabout you are seeing there, that is where this thing is located. Before when you look inside that place, you notice that it is covered by bushes and these trees that give people shelter. That is what you get there. But right now, they are now, transforming the place. These are some of their property. I think they moved from somewhere, and then they now decided to settle here. So once you come inside the gates, if you come inside the main entrance gate from the from the express, they have their own entrance here. You can see it there. They have their own entrance here. This is the entrance where you can access the where they are recreating. So I just left the inside there, and now I'm at the outside of the fun center. So at the back, a kind of at the back of this particular place, you see where I showed you they created a kind of beach. They poured sand, all this beach sand, they pour it there. Maybe they are trying to create something like beach over there, so I don't know. So I also showed you at the video where they are constructing something like swimming pools and the rest of them. So the place is gonna be a very nice location. The only thing I'm not seeing here is space for parking, because the place is not that big, but somehow big though. But I don't think they have space for parking, or maybe even if they will have, it will not be too wide. Maybe it will contain just few cars and the rest. So I'll be following it up. If they will allow me to be giving you guys update about it, I'll still be going there and be doing some coverage about the place. So I so much enjoy this. I hope somebody else can also took over those ones around Ebuka and recreate this kind of thing over there, because that thing is just there wasting. People are just defecating inside that place. Bushes are covering them. They are not using it for anything. At least let them utilize it for this kind of thing, or government should come in and do that relaxation center for themselves, and put some free Wi-Fi's and help the citizen for once. So it is very, very necessary. So I so much love what I saw when I visited here, and I said, may the thing come to reality. Honestly, may it come to reality. So those things I just showed you are the swimming pool sections, which I think I'll still go back to show you the full, to show you the the clearer view of the place. So this is the the looks of everything for now. So they are still working on it, so you can see it. I think somebody told me it's a swimming pool though, but I don't know, because the thing is too small. It's very, very tiny. But when looking at it, you notice that it may be maybe it may not be swimming pool, maybe where people will actually be placing their legs for realization, so all those things. So you understand. But honestly, I'm overwhelmed by joy, seeing this thing coming to reality, at least not being covered by bushes or people defecating inside the place, honestly. So it's a welcome development, and I said, may God bless the person that bring this idea. And guys, this is where we're going to be ending this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe. Click on the like button and then click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish videos like this. And do have a wonderful day. Watch to the end and see the remaining environment for yourself. Bye.